students, I welcome you all to my channel Math Mysteries with Rashmi with the same topic ratio and proportion, where we are already discussing number based problem, but this is part 5, that means some extra other type of problem we are going to discuss. So the student in 3 classes are in the ratio 2 ratio 3 ratio 5. Till now whatever we have done among two values of the ratio. If we are increasing the value to all terms of ratio or decreasing it, we are doing everything in both those terms. Okay, but this time we are doing changes in more than two terms. Right now we have the ratio among three terms. So if 40 students are increased in each class, we have increased the number of students in each class by 40. The ratio changes to 4 ratio 5 ratio 7. Okay, so by shortcut way and by longer way, both the ways we will be discussing the problem. What you can do, you can consider the problem is only this much for now. अगर starting के दो रेशियो ले रहे हो तो सेकेंड वाले रेशियो में भी स्टार्टिंग की दो टर्म्स को ही कंसिडर कीजिए. So 2x upon 3x increased by 40 and then you are getting it 4 upon 5. Similarly, either you can do it into this way, you can simplify this portion as well. Okay, let me highlight it by some other color. So 3x upon 5x increased by 40. Either you can do the first part or by the second part, which gives you the ratio 5 ratio 7. One more way is there, the shortcut way. Now you all know how to simplify these type of equation. Simplify this, get the value of x, and you can easily substitute it in the ratio values so that you will get the answer. So how we will be doing? Let's simplify any of the equation. So 7 3s are 21x plus 280, 25x plus 200. Okay, let's simplify this. This gives me 4x is equals to 80. X value is 20. As soon as we get the value of x, we can substitute here to whatever they have been asked. So originally the total number of student. So originally we had 2 ratio 3 ratio 5. That means total quantity initially it was 2 plus 3 plus 5, which is 10x. So 10 multiplied 20 gives me 200. Total how many students were there initially? 200. After increasing 40 student, that means 120 total number of student has been increased in this 200. So the new number of students will be 320. Right? 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. So 16 multiplied by 20. That means in place of x, we will be writing 20. So that gives me 320. But this is the basic method. We should know the shortcut way also. So the shortcut way says that 2 ratio 3 ratio 5. This is the ratio given after increasing 40 students. The new ratio has become 4 is to 5 is to 7. Okay. So first I will be checking the difference among these two values of the ratio, first two values, and then the second two values. This should be exactly same. Here the pattern is first difference is 1, second difference is 2. Here the difference is of 1, here also the difference is of 2. Right? So it is exactly matching. Starting की दो values में, दोनों places में, दोनों ratios में 1 1 का difference है, and last two values में 2 2 का difference है. Right? Now the target is to check how much it has increased. So 2 to 4 तक जाने में it has changed 2x to 4x. The difference is of 2x. How are we getting this? 4x minus 2x gives me 2x. पहले 2x number of students थे, कम थे, अब 4x हो गए हैं. So difference कितने का है? 2x का. Why it has changed? Because 40 student has come to the class. So the value for x is going to be 20. Just for the better understanding, you can do it into this way. 2 से 4 हो गए हैं. That means 2 का value जो है वो 40 के बराबर है. So 1 का value 20 के बराबर है. And 1 is always there in the hidden format of all the number. 100 है. 100 can be written as 100 multiplied by 1. So 20, if we multiply to each values, each terms of the ratio, this gives me 40, 60 and 100. When I add this gives me total number of students 200. Similarly, I can do multiply this 20 to this 4, 5, 7, which gives me 80, 100 and 140. After adding this gives me 320. So the answer is exactly same, but here we got the answer in 2 to 3 steps only. For the explanation purpose, it took this much time. Otherwise, this is too much time savior. I'll show you it in the next question. Okay. So the next example we have, The students in 3 classes are in the ratio 4:6:9. If 18 students are increased in each class, how many students have increased? 18. The ratio changes to 7:9:12. So first we will be checking the difference among first two values of the ratio, which is 2 here. 4 to 6, 2. 7 to 9 is also 2. Yes, exactly, well done. It is matching. But we have to check here as well, right? So the difference of 6 and 9 is 3. Here among 9 and 12 is also 3. So it is exactly matching. If it is not matching, then we have to make it same. If at one of the place also it is not matching, here it is 2, here it is 3. So we have to make it same. But usually that type of question never comes if multiple terms are there in the ratio. So 2, 3, 2, 3 pattern it is going on. Now 4 to 7, 6 to 9 and 9 to 12. It has changed by 3 steps. 4 to 7, the difference is of 3. So 3x is equals to 18. I can write it as 7x minus 4x. Here I am writing x. So this gives me the value for x, which is 6. Okay. 3 6 are 18. Then the total number of students in 3 classes before the increase. Before increment, before 18 students got admitted to each class, each section, what was the strength, total strength? So total 4 plus 6 plus 9 is 19x. We quickly have to take the product of 19 with 6. Okay. So total how many students are there? 114 students are there. Next example we have 3 numbers are in the ratio 1:2:3. By adding 5 to each of them, the new numbers are in the ratio 2:3:4. 1, 2, 3 was the old ratio. After adding 5, the new ratio has become 2, 3, 4. Look, the difference is same. 1 to 2, 1, 1, 2 to 3, 1. 2 to 3, 1, 3 to 4, 1. So not everywhere same. These two should be same and these two values should be same. Now 1 to 2, it has increased by 1 and that should be equal to the number which has increased. So the new numbers are in the ratio this. The numbers are going to be 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. Initially it was. If it is not mentioned what they are asking, then we have to of course always consider the older values. 1, 2, 3, so 5, 10, 15. Okay. Please simplify this question and give your answer in the comment box for this problem.